Hello, my name is Charles Joma, sometimes known as the Almighty Prince Charles. That's my boxing alias. I live here in Cape Woolmai on Phillip Island, and one of the things I do for training, just for time out, clear my headspace, is I love running on the Phillip Island Nature Walks. It is very enjoyable. It's funny, like, no matter how many times I've run around it, you always stop at specific spots, and you're always just like gobsmacked by how beautiful it is. I really do love just being out there, but like there's no one else around. It's kind of like it's just space, fresh air, everything's just you and like you and the world, and it just feels like nothing else exists, and you get lost in that, and I think that's really part of what I enjoy about it.
I love walking in nature with my family. We don't know what we're gonna see. This place is alive. You see trees, grass. I like the mangroves. They're looking for crabs. I think the tide's going out today. The wattle tree is my favourite. They're so yellow.
For as long as I can remember, I've had an ongoing relationship with the coastline. Most days at some times I will be there, whether it's to go fishing or surfing or snorkeling, or just going for a walk along the beach. This is the place where I can feel free to be me. This is the place where I can reconnect with nature and be able to have clear thoughts. It helps me to disconnect from the day-to-day problems that life brings and immerse myself in an inner space which is calm. In walking these places, now I can see that this coastline, this amazing range of wildlife, is coming back from severe disruption and is beginning to thrive once again. I can see that I've made a difference, and I want to tell that story, that we can all make a difference. I hope that tradition continues.